In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the half screen filter on TikTok. This is a new filter that you might want to go ahead and use. So you can see I'm on the TikTok camera, and I went to the TikTok camera by tapping on the plus icon in the middle of the screen at the bottom. And then when you're on the TikTok camera, you can go ahead and tap on effects there at the bottom left-hand corner. And you can see for me at the top row, the second option, that is the half screen filter. So if I go ahead and tap on that, and then I go back over here, you can see that if I move here, it has that filter effect. And if I move here, it's just normal. So what you can do is you can go ahead and record your filter. This is typically used to show people what social media looks like and what the real life looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and record something real quick. And when you're done recording, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner. And now you want to go ahead and add some text onto your video to make it look like social media, what it looks like, and then real life. So I'm going to add some text. Then I'm going to type social media. Tap on done at the top right. And I'm just going to customize this to make it like this. And then I'm going to put that there. So that's what social media looks like. Then I'm going to add some more text. And then I'm going to say real life, and then I'm just going to put the box around it. And basically that's how people are doing this filter. So you want to put that there, something like that. You can even include the verses. And then when you're ready, you go ahead and tap on next, and you can go ahead and go through the posting process and post this. But if you're not finding the filter from within the effects tab over here, what you can do is go out of here, and then I'll discard this, and then you can tap on the discover option next to the home button, and then tap on discover. Then in the search bar, you want to type half screen filter. There it is at the top. I can tap on that. Now it's not going to pop up there where it says effects, but if you go ahead and tap on any one of these videos using the filter, say for example this one, you can see this person's using the filter, and then above their username it says half screen filter. I can tap on that. That's going to take me to the effects page. I can add it to my favorites, can scroll down and look at all the videos using this filter, quite a few. Or I can tap on the camera button at the bottom to go ahead and use the filter. It's just going to take a moment to load up, and obviously the music will be included when you go ahead and use the filter from whichever video you took it from. And then you can go ahead and record your video from here and then go through the posting process. So that's how you get the half screen filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more TikTok trends. And I'll see you in the next TikTok trend video. Take care.